Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you the brand new Patrick Ta Beauty Major Skin Cream Foundation and Finishing Powder Duo. Now, there are 21 shades to choose from, but I took their quiz on their actual website, and Light Medium 3 is the shade that they chose for me. So I'm super excited. The packaging, again, is so beautiful. It matches their chic collection of products per usual, and this is what the product looks like on the inside. You get a mirror, you get a cream foundation on one side, which is 0.32 ounces of product, and a powder, which is 0.14 ounces of product. As you can see, I think they got my foundation shade perfect, but let's go ahead and apply it. Here's my skin without any foundation on. I do have imperfections. I have dull skin, I have discolorations, I have eye bags, I have dry skin, and let's go ahead and see what this foundation does to it. But I'm using a brush, and as you can see, the Light Medium 3, which is also described as a cool rose shade, looks so perfect. It's giving me life. It's evening out my skin tone. It's making it luminous, but also kind of perfectly balanced. It's like my skin, but better in my opinion. It's so incredibly comfortable. I just can't even believe there's any foundation. I personally do not even use foundation, and I think this foundation is just perfect for me in particular, because it's not even a lot of foundation, and I don't even need that much. But look at this. This is light to medium coverage, and I think it's just perfection. Now let's go ahead and see what the powder side does to my skin on top of that foundation. And as you can see, there's a lot of pigment. So I am expecting that it's gonna give me even more coverage. And unlike other powders, this powder, when you apply it to your skin, doesn't even look powdery, which is incredible. At the same time, it's blurring out imperfections, but also leaving it perfect. This should be called the perfect foundation. But again, Patrick Ta Beauty just impressing me with their products. Another must-have in my opinion. It retails for $52. And what it is a duo that includes a blendable medium coverage cream foundation paired with a satin finish powder. And this is what my whole makeup, everything on with the blush, the contour, the bronzer, the setting powder, the setting spray looks like with the foundation, and this is just perfection to me. I definitely am gonna make this one of my go-tos for all my pictures and going out events, but that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other playlists. I do have a link in the description box down below. I will see you guys all next time. Bye, guys.